In this video, we are going to show you how to create a phone call voice effect in CapCut Mobile. Now, to do this, you need to have a clip that has audio in it, that has somebody talking in it. So if I do this, if I play it, there we go. You're going to hear me just a normal audio, right? So how do we add that effect? All we need to do is tap on your video, or if you haven't yet, you can extract the audio over here. So you're going to have a separate audio track. You don't really need to do that, but sometimes it's better for depending on the type of editor, right? So highlight the audio clip or the video that has the audio, and then on the bottom menu, scroll until you see you can see extract audio here, but you want to tap on audio effects, right? Under audio effects, under voice filters, you're just gonna see some options here. So there's a lot of options, right? So you want to scroll down until you see phone convo over here. So tap phone convo. And as you can see, if you hear me, it's going to be different now. It's going to sound like a phone effect, right? It's phone conversation. So if you're satisfied, just tap on the check or confirm like so. And if I play this again, here we go. It sounds different. It sounds like somebody's talking over the phone. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.